Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is going to be my journey back from Goa to Mumbai, and I don't want to leave Goa right now because it was being such a wonderful days over here with my friends, and it was really great to be here. But we have to go. The trip has to end. Someday the trip has to end. Today's the day the trip is going to end, and I'm all ready. In next 15 to 20 minutes, I should leave for Mumbai. Right now it's already 8 o'clock. Planning was I had planned to leave by 8 o'clock, but okay, we slept for some more time because it's a long journey today. It's around 10 to 12 hours of journey from Goa to Mumbai, so we had to sleep. But right now we'll leave in next 15-20 minutes. Bags are packed, everyone's just having shower, getting our bags down, putting on the bike, and we are set to leave for Mumbai. So I'll do one thing, I'll just check what's going on in the room, and that's the last view of the beach behind me. Okay, so I'll just go in the room, check what my friends are up to, and then we'll get started with our road trip from Goa to Mumbai.
So at last we left from Baga and it's just 2 hours late, but it's okay. We slept well, got up aram se so that we can ride till Mumbai. And right now we just will fuel up and then we're good to go. चलो सीधा 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 ये डाल मुंबई का मैप डाल. अरे यार केतन ऐसा जगह से मत लेके चल.
It was a very tiring ride right now. So we crossed Kolhapur and Satara is just 30 kilometers more. According to Google Auntie, I'll reach my location by 11:30. Both the bikes FZ250 and the Avenger are performing really great. No problems till now. Touch wood, there's no problems. So right now we have just taken a small break. You can say a pee break because that it's like an emergency. You can't stop that. You really can't stop that. So we'll take just a 10-minute halt and then we'll start a ride again because we're trying to cover as much of kilometers as we can. Because once it gets dark, it's difficult to ride. There'll be traffic. It will be dark. It will just get irritating then. Okay, so we're just trying to cover as much of kilometers as we can. So let's get started. I think it's more than 10 minutes now. So let's get started with the ride.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So at last back home, pretty late. We took a lot of time to reach home, more than 12 hours, approx 13 hours, 14 hours maybe. It's already 4:30 and I'm home. We all are safe, nothing happened. It was a crazy safe journey from Goa to Mumbai. We reached late because our speed reduced a lot after 8:39 because we all started feeling sleepy. So we took our number of falls increased and the speed reduced a lot. So that's why we took time to reach, but still it's better to be safe. Okay, and this epic journey gets over here. It has been a crazy journey till now and it was amazing. Super duper memories created with my friends and it was fun. This Goa trip was epic, it was fun. And if you guys enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up, share it with the friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also connect with me on my Instagram and Facebook pages because I'm active over there as well. So saying that, thank you so much guys for staying tuned to my channel. Always remember to ride with your helmets on and buckle up when you drive. Take care guys, God bless you all. I'll see you all soon in the upcoming vlogs.